Hey guys, Red Raider Ops here, and this is the shooting test of the KWA mac11 So here we go. First, we're gonna shoot on semi, just to see. See if I can do this one hand. My bad. Sorry. All right. Okay. So we'll be firing it on semi-auto first. Okay. Now we're gonna fire it on full auto. By the way, this shoots around 30 rounds a second, so it's crazy. Let's shoot over here. So that is one mag. So this is a very compact gun. Review will be coming out soon. I really recommend this gun for CQB. I've played a lot with this gun, and it's awesome. So rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks.